What's up everyone, I am Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you. So today we are doing something simple and pure and easy. No swirls, no muss, no fuss, just a simple, pure Castile soap with, of course, goat milk and beer in it because that's how I roll. But it's one of my favorite soaps to use. It's one of my favorite soaps to make just because it is just, there's nothing complicated about it, you know? No fragrances, no micas, just pure soap at its purest form, and I love it. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, y'all, so we're just doing a simple soap recipe today. We're going to be doing my naked and drunk Castile soap. So all I have in here is Castile or olive oil, and then I've got my kale and clay and my goat milk as well. I'm going to give this a quick blitz with the stick blender to get the powders all mixed in so I don't get any lumps in my soap. All right. Now, this is Castile soap. It is just straight olive oil, so it's going to take a while to thicken up. So I'm not really concerned about my temperature. I actually want it to be kind of warm in the first place. So my oils are sitting at just at about 80 degrees. And then my lye water sitting at about 107 degrees. So it's pretty chilly compared, but it'll work. So we are just going to add in, I've got my beer solution here. If you've been around for a while, you guys know I make beer soap. If you don't know how to make beer soap, you can totally just make a regular lye water mixture with just distilled water. If you want to learn the process of making beer soap, I have a video completely dedicated to the step-by-step process of making beer soap. I will link that down below. So I'm just going to pour this in. We're going to start mixing. Like I said, this may take a while. Now you may think that it has come together and you've reached a trace, but if you look closely, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, you can see that there are still kind of lines of oil that haven't been incorporated yet. So even though you think you might be at trace because it's gotten thicker, it doesn't necessarily mean you are there. So rather be safe than sorry and make sure everything is nice and incorporated and just mix it until it's all completely uniform and there's no like little streaks running through. All right, I am happy with that consistency. When I pull out my mixer, it kind of sits on top and doesn't plop in and just make a smooth top. So I am happy with that. And I know because of the beer in here and the goat milk and it just being ridiculously hot, I know this is going to heat up, and to avoid a partial gel in my soap, I am going to actually oven process it like I normally do. If you don't know what oven processing is, again, I have a video that explains all of that. And if you don't oven process it, or if for some reason out of the blue you get a partial gel, I have a video explaining what a partial gel is as well. So if you want to check that out, I will link that down below as well. All right, so we are just going to pour this beautiful soap in. No fragrances, no colorants, just olive oil, kale and clay, goat milk, beer, and lye. that is it, the bare minimum. I love this soap because when I make laundry soap, this is the soap I use for my laundry soap. I shred this up to make it. I think my stick blender is probably on its last leg. I think I need to order a new one, because she be struggling lately, you know? I feel her pain though. So I am just going to run this inside and put it in the oven so it can process overnight, and I will see you guys when it is ready to cut. Alrighty, so we are going to cut our Naked and Drunk soap. Of course, it's just a solid soap. It's nothing spectacular on the inside, but it is one of my favorite soaps. Oh geez, I waited too long. Okay, let's yeah. Oh, who needs to go to the gym, right? Oh. So just got plain bars on the inside, but they are one of my favorites and they're one of my best sellers, so it works out, right? So I guess I will see you guys in the outro. So that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. We're going to be putting out a lot more, not only soaping videos, but other cosmetic videos, as well as like lotions and some more liquid soaps and things like that. So if you want to see those videos, be sure to subscribe for those as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.